it's Chief or Jessica here, and today I have Minecraft Ghostbusters. I kind of want to give a little shout out to Minecrafter because I was trying to join a different game, but there was no one joining, so I had to leave. But this is my first video, and yeah, I just want to find people. This is a Sky server, and I'll try and, find the Ghostbusters because we kind of want to kill them. Yeah. Let's see if I can this Ghostbuster. Let's find her. Okay. Yep, let's just find more smoke. Now I just gotta wait. Oh. 2 undeads in jail. I'm gonna go to the jail then. I remember one time I was a Ghostbuster on this server. It wasn't here, but oh, here it was. I was in here, and there was this guy who was hiding, like, kept going on there and up there, and I had to try and arrow him to death, but it didn't really work out very well, just saying. Darn, how can I jump? Oh, I'm one of the undeads that are free. That's just terrific. Okay then. I'm scared. I'm officially scared. Sorry about that squeaking noise. I'm gonna go down to the jail and try and at least find the jail and go ahead and try and let some people free. But then again, the Ghostbusters are probably guarding the jail. I just need to find the jail. Yep. I actually don't know where the jail is. It says that it's like back there. I trust its judgment. Even though I'm a jumper and I can jump high, they still have ender pearls. What is going on? I don't know, but I'm pretty sure jail's this way. Bless you, whoever sneezed in the background. Yeah, let's just circle around. Walk into Ghostbusters and stuff. But I also kind of want to get people free, so hopefully run into the jail while I'm there. Oh, here is bye. Let's find it. I'll just take a little detour. Oh, my chunks aren't loading. Look at that. And there's a Ghostbuster, but he has awesome armor. And that's kind of freaky. Oh, gosh. I'm the only undead that is free. I'm the only undead. Okay. Yeah, I think we won. So that's round 1. That was only like 4 minutes, so we're just gonna try another one. Okay, I'm gonna turn my chat back on and just say hello to YouTube, everybody. Oh no, whatever. Sorry about the lag. It's like perfect on my screen, but I know it's different. Say hi to YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna turn chats off now because it's kind of annoying when people don't. I need to pick. Oh, I forgot to. I think I'm a tank. Yep, I'm a tank because I forgot to pick it. I like the armor. I like stuff. Once I need to like regen, I need to like all the tanks need to go after it because it's like 50 hearts. Yeah. Just try and sprint because tanks don't go very fast. Well, that was kind of good. Oh, there he is. So laggy. I need like trigger pop. Oh, he ender pearled. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is annoying. I wish it was a jumper. Okay, it's a good thing no one's in jail. I'll just kind of steal their arrows. I can't steal their arrows. It's great. That's great. I know these chests are empty. I just wanna check for good times. Can I not hit it? Okay. Whatever. I'm just gonna like sit at the gas station like, what up? I'm gonna hit some people. Well, there's no one in jail, so we can go ahead and hit him while he's... Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, where am I hitting? It's so laggy. Oh my gosh. That was so weird. There's no one in jail, so... Where is he? I guess I'm the jail guarder, then. Oh, there he is! Oh my gosh. I'll make this noise. Oh yeah! Awesome, we killed the Ghostbuster. Oh, sweet. Oh, that was kind of for a match. It's only been 8 minutes, so I'll just keep it the chat off for now. Wee. Fly, fly. Oh no, that's funny. Bonnie Ghost. Just a shadow. With a bunch of arrows sticking out of you. That's just great. Let's do one more. Hello. Hello. I don't know. Whatever. I'm gonna be... Excuse me. I'll just be number 1. The sprinter. I'll follow Michelle Bell. Wait, is it sharpness? Sweet. Oh, if I press down my sprint button, I go really fast as well. Weird, I'm just gonna... I don't know why, I just Even though it's a really small map, I just get lost really easily. Where are these people? I'll just get some pork chops, even though I don't lose hunger. Let me get some pork chops. Oh, there's only one Ghostbuster left. You don't say. There's no one here. I just wanna find the Ghostbuster. Oh, okay. That's just someone else. Okay, let's just try and find them. Thanks for like extra arrows, dude. You know you're wasting all your arrows unless you're like the archer. I'll just take these. Ha ha ha. Okay, where is that guy? Okay. If you want to see my Minecraft skin, it's a slime. Yeah. It's a slime in a suit. I'll just finish this game and it'll be goodbye for now. So yeah. We still have like 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Maybe 3. I don't know. I really wanna get a couple of chops. I don't want the Ghostbuster, please. I need Optifine, dude. Wow. Ghostbuster's hiding. He's still in that place where he usually hides. Yeah. 99. I really want to spider up this wall. Yeah. Let's go ahead and find him. I feel like this is where he's hiding. Because it's here. Why can I throw my park? Just control. I really just want to control Q. It's fine. Oh, this is kind of boring. Ghostbusters just heading out. Well, thanks for watching. this is again the Sky server. I will put it in the description. Peace out. Bye.